Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress as Headless CMS. Start by installing the REST API or GraphQL plugin and plan content models carefully. Choose a JavaScript frontend like React, Vue, or Svelte and connect via API endpoints. Use authentication for protected routes and set up caching for performance. Export media to a CDN and version your schema to keep rolling updates smooth and predictable for team collaboration. Begin by installing the GraphQL or REST API plugin, then enable cores for your front-end origin. Configure JWT or OAuth to secure API access and issue scope tokens for specific routes. Create a test user with minimal permissions and verify authentication flows using Postman or curl. Document endpoints and expected responses so front-end developers can build components confidently without guessing server behavior or breaking production. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to save time while you code. I love how it handles crumbs while I focus on deployment and content modeling. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Connect your front-end to API endpoints and map responses to components like pages, posts, and menus. Use incremental builds, previews, and streaming to reflect content changes quickly without full redeploys. Host WordPress on a reliable PHP host or container, and serve the front-end from a static host or serverless platform with a CDN for assets. Monitor performance and set cache headers to balance freshness and speed for users worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.